Ula Lole, my name is Mele. This is Ileini, my daughter. She's going to be my helper today. Today we're going to make Kahoa Lole. The best times to give Lolly Leis are like celebrations, like 21st, weddings, graduations. The craziest Lolly Leis I've ever seen was like Tongans or like other cultures, they will like put like tin cans of corned beef like as the Lolly Leis, or like they'll put like drinks, you know, chips, like they'll just like go crazy with anything. The first Kahoa Lole is a more decorative Kahoa Lole with plastic ribbons from the $2 shop and mini lollies from the supermarket. Now with the second Kahoa Lole, this is a more simpler one, just a plain Kahoa Lole, just mini chocolates, plastic wrap and fruit burst. You're gonna measure your necklace, leave a few for like when you tie the ends. Grab your lolly. Next step is super gluing your lollies onto the ribbon, alternating from flake super glue to flake super glue. Also, I'm gonna get the blue and I'm just gonna layer it on top, and this is gonna be my first layer. I'm gonna start off with all blue and then we're gonna move on to a white ribbon. So for me, the purpose of the Lolly Lei is to show your love towards that person. If you're attending a graduation, you know you're happy and you're showing your love that they've accomplished something. Next we're gonna put the white ribbon, just layer it on top of the blue one, but make it longer so that it could show through the necklace. Okay, so now once you've done the second layer, like you're done, and then you're gonna put it on your person. So this simple Kahoa Lole is normally when you're in a hurry or if you're having to make 10 or 20. And what you need is a plastic wrapper, or any wrapper, plastic, small ribbons, mini chocolates from the supermarkets, or a small fruit burst or small lollies. So we've measured the glad wrap, and now we're putting the lolas in the middle. So you can have either, up to you, your choice. If you want single lollies or... Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cover use one side to go over the lollies, the other side to cover. So now we're going to use our plastic ribbon. We're going to use the ribbon to tie the chocolate. So this is the end result of what we've made today. I have the decorative Kahoa Lole, and my daughter, she has the more plain Kahoa Lole. Try it at home with different chocolates, different flavors, different colors of ribbon, and thanks for watching.